Hello, my beautiful besties. Welcome back to another video here at Down for Glam. What we're working on today is a little bright red and green. We're using that beautiful polish that I got from CND. And guys, I love this polish. I'm just going to say, I absolutely adore it. So I'm doing two of the nails in red. We're going to do two of the nails in green, and then one, we're going to do a vertical ombre. So while I accomplish that, and don't forget the edges, I do want to say that I know I had said I was going to come back Wednesday with a video last week, but honestly, I'm heartbroken, you guys, by everything. Not the protesters. I'm 100% standing with them. I honestly wish I was out there. In the past, I've definitely protested and marched for many causes, often equality, and so not being out there has been really tough for me. But COVID-19 is scary to me a little bit, because not a little bit, a lot actually. I have asthma, and my respiratory health has never been strong. So, and I'm sure sometimes you can even hear in my videos that I'm a little bit wheezy. So getting COVID-19 is just, that's not an option for me. Getting that would really mean something I don't want. Whether it's a long hospital stay and recovery with long-term additional damage, or possibly worse. And I don't want to get that. So that is what's kept me away from the protests, because otherwise you would be seeing video of it on my other channel. I'm sad I'm not there, but I think that we need everyone to stay strong as well, to support the people who are marching. And that's what I'm trying to do, is support in every way I can, and I hope you will as well. I talk about that a little on my other channel, even though really I've not made a lot of videos over there either. But there's a lot of ways that we can all join in, even if we can't protest. And if you can protest and you feel the cause is just, hit those streets. But if you can't, and even if you can protest, please contact your elected officials. It is vitally important that we keep the pressure on them. You can call them, write them, email them, tweet them, at them in all of your posts about this on any platform that they also are on. You can use a free service called ResistBot to contact your reps. And I know it works because my reps contact me back about the letters that I've sent through ResistBot. So I know it's actually working. Now here I am just going through on that ombre. We're just doing a little, oh, I love this ombre. I wish I had made that little boo-boo there. I don't really want to make this channel about anything other than nails or maybe beauty or skincare. But in times like these, you cannot be silent. You can't sit quietly and let only others do the dirty, hard work of what needs to be done in this country. You must stand up. You must speak out. And I stand with Black Lives Matter. I stand with the protesters. And I absolutely love you guys. You're the best. Now what I'm going to do here is a technique that I actually learned from Kirsty Meakin, I don't know, like 2 weeks ago or so on her channel. There's a video up, you can definitely see it. And all you're really doing is making those dots and then playing connect the dots. It is a really simple way to make cute little flowers. I admit I need a lot more practice. But that is like the third flower I tried to make, and I'm actually pretty happy with it. Then I'm coming in with a little middle dot. Sorry about that. And then I'm going to do the same thing down here, but a little bit off the side. I actually don't love this one a ton, but again, I just need to keep practicing. And I will definitely be doing this technique again. And I'm sorry, would it be a video by Gigi if I didn't dip out of the camera a tiny bit? Sorry about that, guys. And I'm just trying to mimic that there's another petal down there. There we go. And now I'm just coming in with some dots, which again, guys, this really bites. I'm sorry. And then little dots that I am dragging out on each side to create little leaves, which you will be able to see right here. See? Guys, I'm so sorry. And then I'm going to come in and make a line between them. And you can do it the other way, but I was actually struggling with that, so I decided to do this instead. And I'm actually really happy with how it came out. And now I'm just making another leaf shape there at the top. And now that that's all cured, we are going to add a little bit of bling. Guys, while I put this bling on, I just want to say, especially during times like these in this world where we are struggling for change, it is so, so, so important that you're taking care of yourself. And whatever that entails, a long hot bath, a funny movie, read a book that you love, open a magazine, paint your nails, whatever it is that makes you feel better, you have to stay strong. So do those things. And I know I've really been struggling with it because I feel bad. I don't want to take a break, because if you're really thinking about it, the people who were standing up for didn't get a break. But you have to keep your voice strong and loud. And sometimes to do that, you need to stop for a second, because your voice will wear out. So take that break when you need it. Whatever that, a nap, take a nap. I love a good nap. I am the biggest nap fan. So do that, take a nap. And take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones, and just love the community and know that we are all one, even through this struggle. And some of us are really being attacked right now, and we cannot allow that to continue. I'm just coming in here and putting some top coat right up against those gems. You kind of want to make a little seal around them so that that top coat will like shrink wrap around it and hold it in place. You see how they always have that little line of flat area. You can just run it right up along there without getting it on top. Because of course, if you get it on top, you lose that beautiful Swarovski crystal shine. And those are genuine Swarovskis, so we definitely don't want to do that, right? Right. Okay, guys, I love you so much. I am just going to do a little top coat here. Oh, goodness, I'm getting a tickle in my throat. And I ended up doing 2 top coats over this flower just to make sure that there was no, you know, just ridgy sort of raised areas. Because I will rub those. Even absent-mindedly, I will just rub on those areas. Guys, I'm really loving working with this top coat from Light Elegance, and I'm going to tell you right now, it is seriously stain resistant. Enail Couture said it was stain resistant, but it really wasn't. This is 100% stain resistant. So I am loving it. My nails still look great, and they've been on like 10 days already. No staining at all. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Mwah, mwah, bye.